it's so windy. No, what is that?
It's a porta potty.
Portable potty. Oh my God, no, do not open this.
It's baho.
Oh, it's back. You just stay here. We'll go there later. Look at to. There's a storm. Ang go daw ba? There's a storm. Tonight coming.
Yes. Fuck you!
Just playing around. Detect disaster.
Natural disasters like you pooping. Joke.
It's just a joke. I thought it's really.
It's real.
What kind of animal?
Elephant could detect earthquake. Dog could detect tsunami.
Really?
And then sharks could detect hurricane.
But it's just windy here. There's more.
Earthquake?
What?
Did you know why an elephant could detect an earthquake? Because before an earthquake, the ground vibrates just a little. And by the vibrations travel through the ears of the elephant, then they know the earthquake's going to happen.
Okay, is that scientific?
I saw it on YouTube, so it's definitely scientific.
Let's go back to the area while waiting for your turn. No.
I was like 5. What's your first? What's your first? I believe it was like just a was opening. The only opening I knew. Yeah, I believe it was the only opening I knew back in the days. But then I have two options.
Open categories na dito sa poste ang inyuhang pairing. Open category na dito sa poste.
No, it's really hot.
No, it's not hot. I told you. You're just auntie.
No, I'm not arty.
But you're the oldest.
It's just hot.
I told you. It's not hot.
Dali lang ha, 10 minutes lang a break. Kay mo balik na ka dito. Dili mo lakaw dito. Intermediate mong imong opponent nga, but do you have the same age? Come on. Let's go. Let's go. It's almost 10 minutes. 10 minutes, I only give you 10 minutes, right?
But 10 minutes not done. It's still 5 minutes.
Oh, sige, 5 minutes more.
Yeah, because you just don't know how to count.
No, I'm not counting. I'm timing. Yes, because it's hot. I told you it's hot. There you come. No.